What's up world, I'm Mr. Vaca, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off the background music and the sound effects in YouTube Kids. The first thing that you want to do is open up the YouTube Kids app and make sure that you're logged into your child's account. And then at the home screen on the top left-hand corner, you'll see your child's avatar icon. Click on that, and now you'll see under your child's avatar and their name, this blue edit button. If you click on that, you then get the option to change the avatar pictures, but in the top right-hand corner, you see the option to hit the settings. These are known as the child settings, different than the parent settings. In these settings, you have now the ability to toggle on the sound effects and the background music for YouTube Kids. When you're done, just hit the back arrow in the top left-hand corner and you'll be back in action. And that's it. Hopefully this video helps you out a ton, but if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to work hard, play hard, and I'll see you next time.